Today I am reviewing the DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo 3 batteries. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo is a premium FPV drone designed to give you an immersive and adrenaline-filled flying experience. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a beginner looking to step into the world of FPV flight, the Avata 2 combines cutting-edge technology, ease of use, and cinematic quality video in one complete package. One of the most exciting features of the Avata 2 is the immersive first-person view flight experience. When paired with DJI Goggles, you feel like you're sitting in a cockpit. Every movement of the drone translates instantly to what you see, giving you a breathtaking perspective and total freedom as you navigate through tight spaces, swoop over landscapes, or perform high-speed maneuvers. It's the ultimate way to experience the thrill of flight. Flying the Avata 2 is effortless thanks to its intuitive motion control system. Unlike traditional drones that require complicated button sequences, this drone allows you to control its movement naturally with your hand. This makes it accessible even for beginners, giving you the confidence to fly right out of the box without extensive training. For those who want to add flair to their footage, the Avata 2 offers one-push acrobatics, enabling you to perform jaw-dropping flips, rolls, and 180 degrees drifts with ease. This feature ensures that even newcomers can capture dynamic and exciting aerial shots, taking your content to the next level without needing professional skills. The camera system is equally impressive. With a 155 degrees ultra-wide field of view and a 1/1.3-inch image sensor, the Avata 2 captures crisp 4K video at 60 frames per second, producing smooth, detailed, and cinematic footage. This makes it ideal for low-altitude shots, action sequences, or immersive POV content, providing a truly professional look for your videos. Safety and durability are also priorities for the Avata 2. The drone comes with built-in propeller guards, making it robust and resistant to minor collisions, and allowing you to fly freely in a variety of environments. Combined with its lightweight, portable design, the Avata 2 is perfect for urban exploration, outdoor adventures, and cinematic filmmaking. The Fly More combo takes the experience even further. Included in this package are 3 intelligent batteries, DJI RC Motion 3 controller, DJI Goggles 3, and more, so you can spend more time flying and less time swapping batteries. This combo is perfect for creators who want extended flight sessions and maximum creative freedom. The Avata 2 is also fully compatible with DJI Goggles 3, In3, 2, and Integra, as well as RC Motion 2 and 3 controllers and FPV remote controllers 2 and 3, giving you flexibility in your setup. Additionally, the drone is FAA Remote ID compliant, ensuring that your flights are safe and follow current regulations. For content creators, the LightCut app makes editing a breeze, offering templates to quickly turn your footage into professional-looking videos. From vlogs and cinematic scenes to high-action sequences, the Avata 2 is ready to capture and enhance your creative vision right out of the box. In summary, the DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo is a complete FPV drone package that combines immersive flight, intuitive control, cinematic 4K footage, and professional-grade features. With its motion-controlled flying, one-push acrobatics, ultra-wide 4K camera, and built-in safety features, it's perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Whether you're capturing POV content, performing aerial stunts, or exploring landscapes, the Avata 2 delivers a thrilling, professional, and unforgettable flying experience every time.